If Google Calendar is showing a type error failed to fetch message, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get Calendar loading properly again. This issue is usually caused by an ad blocker, a browser extension, a corrupted cache, or even a network problem. And the good news is that most of the time it can be fixed in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, turn off any ad blockers or privacy extensions you have running in your browser. Extensions like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, or similar tools can sometimes mistakenly block Google Calendar's background requests because they think those requests are tracking activity. That can trigger the fail to fetch error, even if your internet is working fine. To test this, open your browser extensions menu and temporarily disable any ad blocking or privacy tools for the Google Calendar site. Then refresh the page and see if the calendar loads normally. If it does, you found the cause. Next, test Google Calendar in an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift and N. A private window is useful because it usually runs without your normal extensions and uses a cleaner browser session. If Google Calendar works in incognito mode, that usually means one of your extensions, browser settings, or your stored browser data is causing the problem. If it still does not work, then we know we need to look a little deeper. Now let's clear your browser data. Over time, cookies and cached files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can stop Google services from loading correctly. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you clear cookies and site data, as well as cached images and files. After clearing the data, fully close your browser and reopen it before going back to Google Calendar. This step often resolves strange loading errors because it gives the browser a fresh start with Google's servers. If the issue is still happening, check your internet connection carefully. A temporary Wi-Fi drop, a slow network, a corporate firewall, or a strict VPN can interrupt the connection and stop Google Calendar from fetching data properly. Try loading another website to make sure your internet is stable. If you're on a work or school network, the firewall may be restricting some Google services. In that case, try switching to a different network, turning off your VPN temporarily, or reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. Sometimes, a simple network reset is all it takes. After each step, go back and refresh Google Calendar to see whether the error is gone. The best way to troubleshoot this is to move through the fixes one by one, starting with extensions, then incognito mode, then clearing browser data, and finally your connection. That makes it much easier to identify exactly what was causing the problem. If the calendar starts working again, you can re-enable your extensions one at a time later to find out which one was responsible. That way you can keep using your browser normally without bringing the error back. And that's how to fix the Google Calendar type error failed to fetch issue. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.